Hi, I'm Dr. Alex and I'm a doctor of chiropractic. And today we're joined here by Summer. Summer has today come to our clinic because of a lot of work-related stress. So she's been building up quite a bit of tension in this upper trap area, which has also been leading to a lot of tension type headaches, mainly originating from this upper neck area. So today she's come to us to seek some treatment, and we're going to try and provide her with that. So, 来吧. So upon inspection, we can feel that there's quite a lot of restriction in the mid-back area here. So typically there should be a little bit of movement in the spine when we put a bit of pressure, but almost in your case, it's almost like I'm pushing on a brick wall here. So it's so tight, and that obviously can lead to poor posture. Head coming forward, which typically builds up in this area right here. And a lot of tension. So a lot of times the tension type headaches will come from this sub-occipital area right here. Also somewhat loss of neck curve here, so we're going to try and increase that a little bit.力度可以吗？可以。好。放松。放松。非常好，可以吗？吸气，呼气。好。哦。很好。What?
No sound.
No, a little bit. 很好。OK， 放松，吸气，呼气。好。
哎呀！你要把这个哎呀去掉，我怎么感觉好紧张啊？
放松，吸气，呼气，放松。
哦，
很好，很好。准备好打包架了吗？
可以。
好啊，来吧。
这个流程听着有点硬。
吸气，呼气。
哦。
放松。好的。How do you feel? 你感觉怎么样？
很放松。
很放松。
Yes.
多高了吗？
多高？1厘米。
1厘米。
Yes.
很好。Okay, perfect. So thank you very much for Summer for coming in today. My name is Dr. Alex from ChiroCare. Thank you so much. 再见。